here with our new 760G pellet grill. What you'll notice about this grill, it also includes a griddle. So you can cook fast, you can make hot dogs, hamburgers, pan-fried steaks over here, you can saute vegetables, or you can slow cook on the inside. It's got over 510 square inches of cooking surface, a double rack, and a 15-pound hopper. We're here today to find out how good this grill really is. We've invited two competitive cookers to make their favorite meal, which is a tomahawk ribeye. So they're gonna make two tomahawk ribeyes, they're gonna slow cook them, and then they're gonna sear them on the griddle and make some vegetables for dinner.
Hey, I'm Kyle. I'm Kenny. Kenny and I have been cooking steak and barbecue competitions across the country for about 15 years. Today we're going to show you how to use the Lifesmart grill to cook a reverse sear on a ribeye steak. These have been sitting out for about 30 minutes and they're perfect for putting on some of the seasoning.
We'll start with a little salt, garlic salt, a little hickory flavor dust that I throw on it. We're going to repeat on the other side.
So we got our steaks cooking. Right now we're gonna go prep our vegetables and get these ready to go on the grill. It's been about 30 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and check it, also flip it so we get that nice, good look on each side. The steaks have been resting about 20 minutes, and I really can't stress enough how important it is to let your meat rest. When you pull it off the grill, all those juices are going to redistribute within the meat, making it extremely tender. When you cut into it right off the heat, all that's going to flow away, and it's going to really dry out your meat. So please keep in mind that you gotta let it rest at least about 20 minutes for something